Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 27th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So, on the pound dollar monthly, I still am looking at this move up as a trend. I think it's going to grow and end up looking something like that, making probably a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shape, probably going all the way up and taking out these highs. So, let's keep that in mind. Let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time, especially looking at correlated pairs, especially the dollar index, I do believe that this right here is an uptrend, probably a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 1. Kind of looks like this one already made a 2, while the other pairs look like this is an A, B, C. But either way, I think this is just subdivisions of an uptrend, and I still think that eventually it is going to continue back up, making that big wave 3, make a wave 4, and a wave 5 like I was showing on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame, it actually seems very clear that this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're probably in a wave 5. So how do we know when this trend is over? Well, if it goes up and starts breaking structure, especially at a likely Fibonacci level like this, then that would tell me that this is the end of a trend, and that probably would be the continuation of the uptrend like I was showing on the higher time frames. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. So 4 hour time frame, we definitely have low, high, low right here, and this is going up pretty strong. If this really was a wave 5, it kind of almost seems like this would be not going up so strong like that. If this was actually a 1, 2, 3, it would probably be doing this, making lower lows, lower highs. I think this may actually be turning, and it may actually start making a move to the upside. So let me show you what I mean on the 1 hour time frame. Taking it down to that 1 hour time frame, I have my Fibonacci retracement on here because if it does turn at a Fibonacci level, go down and break structure, then we definitely want to continue to look for shorts, especially based on the higher time frames. But like I said, looking at correlated pairs, it almost kind of looks to me like this is a 1, this is a 2, and that this actually could just keep on trending up, maybe even in a big wave 3. So like I said, if it breaks structure to the downside, I would continue to look for shorts and continue to go short. If it doesn't, and it starts making higher highs, higher lows, then I would for sure be looking for longs at the end of any pullbacks, especially on shorter time frames, for the continuation potentially of this uptrend. Now we do have to remember we got interest rates next week for the US dollar, so whatever's happening probably today in the next couple days next week is probably going to be setting itself up for the news on Wednesday. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.